Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting on the clock quickly. Confirm your station and that your shift matches the schedule, then approach the time watch. Tap or swipe your employee ID, enter your punch code, and press confirm. This records exact start time so payroll and managers stay aligned. Once done, make sure the screen shows a successful punch and your name. If you must step away to prep dough or boxes, clock in only when you begin paid work to avoid errors. Now you manage mid-shift events that commonly trip people up. When you take an unpaid meal break, clock out then back in so hours remain accurate. If the device has a break button, use it to avoid split-time errors. When switching tasks, prep to oven or delivery, update your station or job code so labor reports reflect where time was spent. Also, when punches need correction, get manager approval and enter a short reason. That prevents payroll. Finish by clocking out precisely when your paid work ends. Tap out and confirm the total hours displayed so you leave with correct time logged. If you forget to punch or the device rejects you, report at that shift. Use the correction form or ask a manager to override with a note explaining why. If the time watch malfunctions, reboot it and alert management. Meanwhile, write your start and end times on the paper log so payroll has a backup and you don't lose pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.